Welcome friend. Today we will tell you how routes can be created in Angular application. Routing is nothing. Routing means navigating between the pages. At different links are there, and once you click on one link, then another page will be opened. So we will learn how to create a link in Angular project. See the example. I have created one for you. This is our first page, and here we have created two links. One is home and another is employee. On clicking home page will be open here, and on clicking employee page will be open here. Now see how you can achieve in Angular project. For achieve this in Angular project, we need some modules like app routing modules need to be there. See in the project. Once we have created the project, then app routing module will be added by default. See, this module has been added by default, and here one import is there, that is referring our routing activities, and one constant route are there in which we will define the path. Like suppose here we have given blank, and home component are there, and another is employee, where employee list component are there. It means when it will be blank, then home component will be called. Once we will click on employee, then employee list component will be the called. See, now simply we will create a HTML. See, this is a basic HTML. Here we have taken a div in which we have taken a table. Here we have taken a we have created a table, and we have defined two TD in which we have given a link home and we have given a link employee. On clicking home, you will be redirected to home page, and on clicking employee, you will be redirected to employee page. See here, for routing link properties are used, and here we have chosen another link in where we have defined as employee, and router outlet is also is used. Router outlet is used mm, router outlet is used to show that where your page will be opened. Like once you click on home, then your home page will be open, and once you click on employee, then your employee page will be open. But where it will be open, see here. Once we have clicked, then on our home page, this page is getting open, and on clicking emp, then employee list is getting open. So on HTML page, we have defined a route. Here in app.modules, once we have created two component, emp list component and home component. You can create as many component as you want. This component is just like a form that you will open while clicking on a link. So we have added two component in our modules. One is home component, another is employee list component, and both component is also added in module. Once you create it, it's automatically added in ng module. And in import section, app routing module is already added by default. Now see, in app.routing module we have defined. Now we will, in HTML we have simply created a link in which the link has been defined. Now we will run it. See, just type ng serve. Now see what happened. See, it has been compiled. Now you can use this URL. You can just copy it, Control C, and you can paste it in your URL. See, once you paste the URL and hit, then your home page will be open. Now two links are there, home and employee link. Now I will create one more link for you, like employee address. Okay, so first we will add a new link here. We will create a new TD, that is employee address. Here we have created employee address. Now first we will add a first we will add a component employee list. Press Ctrl plus C. It will here you can type N. Now you will go to base of your project. Now here you can create one more component, that is employee address. ng g c em address. Now employee list is getting created. Now our new component will be created. See, our component has been created, and also that component is updated in app.module.ts. You can see it. See, employee import employee address component from, this is the path. This component is added in app.module.ts. See here in ng module, it's already added. Now come in your routing module. Here you can define one more path, like you just copy it, you can paste it here, you can give any name and component, and here you can choose the component that you have created. Employee address component. See, it has been created. Now you can save it. See, it's give an indication that you have not saved it. See, white dot is coming beside the file name. So you just save it. Once you save it by Control S, it will automatically compiled. See, we have saved it, here we have saved it. Now you can run, compile it, ng serve has compiled successfully. Now open the URL. See, employee address has been added. Now once you click on employee address, then you will be redirected. Thanks for watching this. Now you will able to handle routing in Angular. Thanks friend.